Hello students, in this video we will discuss the problem number 3, problem number 10 in exercise 3. So they are telling that there are two markets, they are selling XYZ products. So X products are 10,000, they are selling in the market 1. Y products they are selling in the market 1, 2,000 products. And Z type 18,000 they are selling in the product market 1. Similarly, X 6,000 in the second market, 20,000 of Y in second market, 8,000 of Z in second market. And the sales price they are given. X is 2 rupees 50 paisa, and 5 Y also sales price of Y will be each product. Each product sales price will be 1.50, 1 rupee 50 paisa, and Z is 1 rupee. Then they are asking we have to solve this one by matrix. Generally, 10,000, each one cost is 2 rupees 50 paisa, means 2 rupees 50 paisa into 10,000. Then how much amount to how much revenue or how much amount we will get by selling X model X products in market 1. Similarly, for market 2 also we will get the same. The same one they are asking in the terms of matrix. So first we will write these products in the form of, here 2 rows are there, 2 rows 3 columns. So first one 10,000, 2,000, 18,000, and this one 6,000, 20,000, and this one 8,000. Now these sales, actually this is X, so X should come. This is product X type, and this is product Y type, this is product Z type. So these rupees I am writing here, 2 rupees 50 paisa, 1 rupees 50, and 1 rupee. Now if you are multiplying the first row and first column, X number of product, these are X products and X sales. Y product, sale of Y, number of products of Z and each cost of Z. So directly we will get this one, 10,000 into this one, so 25,000, plus 2,000 into this one, 2 into 1.5, 3, so 3,000, 18 into this one, so 18,000. And second row first column, 6,000 into this one, 2.5 into 6, 2.5 into 6, 2 5s are 30, 6 2s are 12, 15. So 15,000 plus 1.5 into 2, 3, 1.5 into 3, so 30,000 plus 8,000. So this value will be 25, 8, 3, 25, 8, 3, 8, so 16, so 36,000. In first market they will get 36,000, and here 15, 30, 45, 45 plus 8, 53. So 53,000 in second market. So this is the way we are finding, and in that one the cost price they are given in another way that you can try. And in this one, the problem number 12. So this is the sale of first market, this is the sales of, means total amount we will get in the first market, this is the amount we will get in the second market. Now we will see the problem number 12. In problem number 12 they are asking that AB are square matrices, and they are telling that AB is equal to BA. If AB is equal to BA, we have to prove that AB whole power n is equal to B power NA. This is the first one. And another one after this, they are asking AB whole power n is equal to a power n b power n. ab whole power n is equal to a power n b power n. Here n belongs to n. Here n belongs to n they are asking. So this is a condition. A and b are both are square matrices. So we will solve, especially they are asking in induction method. So for this one previous already we seen solution. So step 1, what is the step 1 means here, let n is equal to 1. So what is LHS value? LHS value is AB power 1 is AB. What is RHS? B power 1A. So this is BA. Already they are telling that AB is equal to BA. So the statement is true for n is equal to 1. Now what is the step 2? We will assume that the given statement is true for n is equal to k. So second step, let it be true. Let it be true for n is equal to k. It is true for n is equal to k means what is this one? A into b power k is equal to b power k into a. Now the third step is we have to prove that we assumed it is true for n is equal to k. You have to prove for n is equal to k plus 1. Now that I am solving here, there is no space. Now step 3, let n is equal to k plus 1. So here LHS I am considering AB power k plus 1. In place of n I am taken k plus 1. So b power k plus 1 means I can write like this, b power k into b. A square means a into a. A cube means a into a into a. Even a into a square you can write, a square into a also you can write. Already a into b power k, this value they are telling that b power k into a. So in place of this one I am replacing this one, b power k into b. Already ab value is ba they are telling. So b power k as it is I am writing. This AB value is BA, they are given. Since they are given, so AB I am replacing with BA. Now here you can observe b power k into b. So b power k plus 1 A. So this is only they are asking. So AB whole power n is equal to b power n into A. So that's why here A power b power A into b power k plus 1. I proved that b power k plus 1 into a. Now this first part is completed. They are asking after this one you prove this one also. This one also they are asking. So this is also induction process, but instead of 3 steps I will do the last step directly. Means second step I will assume, third step I will prove. So for this one, for the second one, for this one, step 2 directly. Step 1 you can try. Step 1 you can try n is equal to 1. AB is equal to a power 1 b power 1. So step 2 is equal to, let it be true for n is equal to k. That means AB whole power k is equal to a power k b power k. Now step 3 I am solving directly. Let n is equal to k plus 1. So LHS I am considering. LHS I am considering AB whole power k plus 1. AB whole power k plus 1. A power k plus 1. A square means a into a. So here also I will write this one, AB whole power k into AB. AB whole power k into AB. Already AB whole power k value you are writing a power k into b power k. So this I am writing a power k into b power k into here AB. Already previous a b power n is b power n a. If you are observing b power k into a, this page if you are observing b power k into a, b power k into a. So this a power k into b power k into b. Just I written the same step. Now a power k I will write as it is. B power k a, I can write a into b power k. So a into b power k, already b. A power k into a. So a power k plus 1. B power k into b. B power k plus 1. So this is only they are asking. So I assumed LHS AB whole power k plus 1. That I proved that a power k plus 1 into b power k plus 1. So this is a problem number 12. So this chapter is completed.